Ki khubor ka bate se TV.
Kamda ka Mahindra Powerroll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Superintendent of Police ka is khasi hasa streg ba Vivek's aim IPS. Ulong bahakami jangaj podrek ujeliu arajar arpusan. Lailam ka Sonam Raghuvanshi, Shaganesh Das Hospital Shillong, banle ekates laka Armet neem, Henry kates klabatay bakampat Armet. Henry wat laka taulong, bikin hap banyalam Biang yaka, Shaganesh Das Hospital, Hadien ka arpusaw Kynta, ban pintik na shushu laka Armet neem. Nang taulet ho, bekisa Ngut kiwepat kata uraj Kushwaha, Uvisha Chauhan, Uakash Rajput, baru Anan Kurmi, ladat banle ke medical check-up, Sadar police station, but Shim Lailam Shah Civil Hospital, namar bagi doktor, kibuan le yaka check-up, Hasadaru kide registered doctor.
Yesterday, a thorough check-up was done in Kynta's hospital. So, they had done a check on pregnancy and it appears negative, but again, they will recheck her, I think, after the 24th.
Because there is a deviation from taking them to civil hospital. So, what is the reason?
No, not them, just her only, because Kynta's women-related hospital and its neonatal treatment is out there. So, it was the best of things that we had taken into Kynta's.
So,
what about the...
No, the other four are actually examined by a registered doctor only.
So, they're already
Yeah.
in the Sadar police
station.
What was the reason that they were not taken to civil hospital? The other four
No,
kids?
because we've got the registered doctor, police registered doctor only to examine them.
But is it necessary that, like they can be examined in medically?
By any registered, government registered medical officer.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.